what's good issue with this boy place and that's good dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm back with another banger. So guys, basically what's gonna be happening in today's vlog is we're gonna go to Mbudzi roundabout, and I'm thinking of buying my mom some stuff, some groceries, and also showing you Mbudzi roundabout also. So make sure you stay tuned to like the video to the end, you watch it to the end, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Let's go. So yeah, guys, you know, it really hurts me when a parent is suffering, and then when there's you chowing man with some buddies, going outings, enjoying, do whatever you're doing. Okay guys, as you can see now tashika panos baboka, and now we are heading to the destination. So guys, now we're heading to the destination. As you can see, this is what happened in here. And, so let's get closer and see what's popping there. Tukuradze zvakakosha, tikuradze zvinokosha tisingakuradze. Understand? And paiswa munangaro apapo pakanzi under the leadership of His Excellency President E.G. Mnangagwa Groceries Interchange. Okay. Under the leadership what Groceries Interchange. Okay. You know there's a baba Mnangagwa. So I guess it didn't confirm me to say the no, so that I won't be distracted. Okay, let's get closer to that thing. And then guys, this signpost is giving South Africa. It's giving South, like for real, it's giving Cape Town. But the difference is South Africa, they are blue ones. I think when they're green, and I think it's gonna be good, showing my directions and stuff for our motorists. So yeah, that's the other process. Which Kapanap, as you can see. And then yeah, those guys, they're putting so much effort, they're working so hard for the roads to be safe for every road user, even me. It's just that I'm using with my natural Mark II my clocks. But yeah guys, this is how it's looking like now. And yeah, I heard with this opening soon. The official opening I heard is there on Friday, but we should start to get away before Friday. What's popping and what's happening here in Groceries Interchange, actually known as Mbudzi roundabout. As you can see, those guys, they're putting so much effort and they're putting so much everything that they're doing is just you understand. I hope you can see the greenish my mics. Oh, they're on. Okay, I thought maybe they are off. Okay, I hope guys you can see the greenish and everything that they're doing there. Like they're actually watering the lawn, everything. They don't go maybe no me, and then they are done destroying everything. I don't know where this road is going, and this one. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get closer and show you what's happening there. So just make sure you stay tuned to watch the video to the end. So guys, as you can see, Doma's pipes are not pinning. I don't even know in Zimbabwe. Tine mvura dzakawanda dzingade kupinda mas pipes akadai. I don't even know. Madi, apana sema mix. You say guys, which is like we don't care. So this sign clearly shows the road is closed there. Because there was only the drive out. I'm sure they don't know. Yeah. Guys, the fluent in yoga. Suffocate them now. Yes, guys, as you can see, they are putting some electricity and some lights over here, as you can see. So that you won't be robbed. You won't be marked by tax. You understand? Yeah, that's what they are doing here, as you can see. Yeah, they're making it nice for everyone. So, don't know my Zimbabwe or Kubasa. Ndovane pachinzi baba vari kubasa papa ndovane pachinzi baba vaenda kubasa ndowana baba vanodhizeka kusiya vavharirwa sadza kwete tumwe tumababa tunoshanda maoffices zviri gay kushanda maoffice muchirungu baba cho anoshanda kuno as you can see ndovane chiti aiwa mudhara vaenda kugraft. So you guys, now we're going inside the deeper part of the Mbudzi roundabout, and then I will show you how it looks like. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. And takupinde momo, let's go. Takubuda manje. Tada kuchena ukoko. So not kwakaita sei koko. So yeah, let's go and see what kwakaita sei. Because we are curious. You understand? If you still remember the junk, you have to get panapa, pace up. Nechi safe station chachira baba. Nechi Mbudzi plaza chachabo bako baba. And everything is cleared now. It's like it's clear. That was the first bridge rubber pero. I still remember Pandaba Gunoko, just 2021 I guess. And yeah, as you can see, it's looking so nice down here. So yeah, this was the first bridge. The construction at the Trababalasa. That's why they started doing the construction of the Mbudzi, new interchange. And now they're putting some signposts. It's not a Murko and stuff. Let's just hope the GPS is gonna work because we don't have the GPS. You know Juma. And yeah, that road is going to Masimbi, Glenora, and we wanna go down there and change to go back. We wanna see what's popping there. What are they doing there? Because that's the middle of the roundabout. So yeah, let's go and see what's popping down there. So it looks like they are putting a nice pavement for the pedestrians. They are respecting the pedestrians also, as you can see. And this is gonna be a drain, you're gonna get and the bridge, so it's gonna be like something showing off view here, river, and yeah, as you can see, I think I'm remember. So that's where we wanted to go. Let's go and take the shot from that other side. Look at how nice the lawn is. Yo, those guys, they are working hard here. That's where we wanted to see what's happening there. They are doing like as if they are building a great tower or their own great Zimbabwe here. The whole department was popping there. So as you can see. So yeah, let's go and get closer and see what's popping. So yeah guys, and this was the long awaited part, as you can see. Ndo road inopinza kuchitungwiza Ivins watu ndo yasara kuti furwa chete yoyi, as you can see. Ndo paiswa fly off hapo. Ndo pane two tower katanga kuvakwa yaya ipapapo. So vanhu vakatovaka mazidhundura ayo maziva ndo vakatomaisa isa because pamba sina all this shit. And then yeah, as you can see. So this road is open now. In this road, as you can see, the trucks are moving peaceful and the buses, they are moving. So this road comes from High Glen, Roadport, Machipisa, going to Masvingo, South Africa. This road is going to Manozi, Kuchitungwiza. I said and then yeah, this is the bridge. Oh, it's a two-way bridge. There's a oncoming needs. Wow, it's nice. Oh, this one's a new bridge. In the old renovation, Dorata is here, the old one. They just renovated it. Like there's nothing now. There's no longer even any drop of water there. There's no longer any water. So guys, as you can see, this is what's happening in Mbudzi roundabout. Guys, reporting live from Mbudzi roundabout. As you can see guys, I'm reporting live from Mbudzi roundabout. This is what's happening. This road from South Africa is currently open now and is going to High Glen. And this one which is going to town is still closed. And this one which is going to Chitungwiza is still closed. And the flyover also from Masvingo to town is still closed. So they just opened this one from Masvingo, South Africa to High Glen, to Machipisa. That's the only way which is open now. So hey guys, this is what's happening in here, Mbudzi roundabout. I bet guys, thank you for watching. So now let's go and grab some groceries, some little groceries for mom, you understand? So yeah, I beg guys, I thank you for your support. Watching the ads and everything. Please keep on supporting your boy so that your boy will keep on doing wonders. Let's go, let's get it, Tango. Okay. Alright guys, I beg guys, if you are a real one, if you know what happens on this channel, you know kuti kana takunobaya mashoppings tinoenda nei tinofambisa sei and tinoshopera pai, you understand? So unfortunately today I didn't manage to take my monarch because I want to go with it kumba kuna moms and then come back with it later. Today we're carrying a sports bag. So guys, every time when I'm doing shopping I make sure with I try by all means kuvhara zvandiri kushopa ndochekutanga. Chechi2 I want to do is if I'm flexing netune tumasei nonzi tumagrocery twechinhera tisina basa, you understand? I try by all means kushafa tumasinto wangu. The last time I went to shop and I did a monarch, and then today so I guess since doing was nobody now, I'm just gonna pick up the basics, maybe sugar, nemkaka, masama, mafuta, and then the rest I'm gonna give mama. This is your man down there, you understand? I don't want to tell you how much it is, but yeah, it's enough for Masina and my basics, you understand? And then she's gonna go and pick up wega Masina Arkuda nekutenga muriwo nene maize. So yeah, let's go and do the shopping, and you know the things, you know the vibe. Praise signing out, let's go. Fika tuzile kuma shops kana vakengomana karapa, right? Udurangu ndo ma supermarket eda ndentonzi moyo hii zvamutoona, as you can see. So yeah, let's get inside and see what's popping. Cremora dovi majarini. Yeah, right. What else? Chingwa. I'm taking the chingwa. Mazanga mari. $7. Credit mari. $4. They took it. Alright. $4. Buy one soup and bill Masai. Iwaya. Matibex akachipana mari. Matibex. King of private life. Right. Tatenga manganda angu manje. Vanhu vasikana nemushop moma kutondiziya kuti auya adi kuti aoneko. Right, that's the real me. Masinda samuno. All the necessary stuff. Mutori nemazai momo, the fun thing. Akatolendwa ari momo. Yara se chechito kuti mhandu dzisaonere. Zvinhu dziri kure. Let's go and give moms Masina out one. Let's hope I will be able to vlog here. So yeah, let's go, and then I'm gonna give him a rose motengo chingonene. So yeah, let's go and see what's popping. Tantokwata baba. Gesha room iri uriitiza. Ichi yamuisa mu bathroom. Sefa perere ndo. Yapera wande. Ko room ichi. Imwe matenga. Oh. Umanga ndakatenga. Anotsemukira maza. Nakana. Naona nziro mama ita kutenga. Maida kutenga nziro maida. Maida kutenga. Ikira jere. Maida kutenga ndo. Oito na muruko sore. Tenga tu. Tumone mbo fema wandu. Tumone fema wandu. Mtengerenda kweli. Marman mama. Naona tiangeri mwana zile tsuku na. Wewe nzije. Mami mna mareshi. Mami notinga masino. Mjade mali. Mama mjade. Mjade. Nasina mari. Mchaidi mari. We mari mriwe.
No one. What am I?
Amasango. New one. No kwana kuga 2. Nanda tiona nezona tiacho. Nati sugabe. Mendu pe chimwa maito chimoto. Wait, there we grace. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I got 2 my domestics here. Now they're going to my house, and then those people write for about duty. Could you praise? What do you do about duty? Let me explain. So guys, those who are asking about duty, duty ndakanzini saruza zvonoda kuita duty. So kama nokuita duty rinani mutitenga muchi mushonga because ndakansaruza kudotenga mushonga ikana kuita duty kana kutsaka munhu wako obhadhara. So I thought kuti ndangona zvakakodzera kutenga mushonga yangu too. It's gonna be easier and cheaper. Okay, fast forward. Let me tell you what happened much. Panenda kuna mama. Okay, guys, I wanna lie. I was so hate. Kunzwa momzi yangu shora kutanzi tandasuwa mukaka, tine mukaka. Then she was saying zvinhu zvakatoa pressure, zvinhu zvakatooma mudhara asara kutumira mari because mudhara wangu truck driver and vachiri kure and yeah, kana vakatotumira mari masina akatoma badeni. So I was so heartbroken, like that was you kunzwa kuti masina akatoomera and atotenge ndafemerwa as such. So yeah, if this I was happy, if she's happy then I'm happy. That's it. I managed to get 1 or 2 things for her, and then on top I gave her some money to buy hukumbiri napa mara momse nemutenga muriwo, and then nemari chingwa yeweekly futi. I think I'm gonna play some clips and kwanza angu record but yeah, pane zvishoma zvandakwanisa izvozvo. Yeah, you can just hear 1 or 2 zvavataura and yeah, you understand. I don't wanna hear vachinitenda because I end up getting emotional, like it's not necessary kuti vanditende. It's our duties. Kana takatendedza tendedzoka aso nguuyo wakabatwa kana chingwa moms iteyo deso. So it's a message to you, all young men or young girls out there, especially young men. If you are old enough to hustle or to bring 1 or 2 things per table, just bring kadomasi kaka. Moms will be happy sha. Kuti moms bateka sini makadaiswa, moms bateka domasi makadaiswa kadaiso oikadhora kawezere pachingwa wezere mazai. You understand? That's why I went there and mazai vangoite kutenge $1 ndakatomapedzisa and chingwa chacha kutopera tea ndakaona yetsuka. I was like, fuck that man. I will see what I can do. Spend my dues angu and now she's happy. You understand? Don't be someone who just spoil girls even if your mom is crying. So guys, I beg you, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content now. And yeah, I love you guys. Keep on subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. Peace out.